Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to effectively organize large projects using Todoist sections, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, open up your Todoist app and create a new project. This is where we'll house all tasks related to our large project. The reason we do this is to ensure that all related tasks are grouped together, making it easier to manage and monitor. Now that we've done that, let's break down our project into smaller, manageable tasks. These tasks will form the foundation of our project. It's essential to make each task specific and actionable. This helps us because it allows us to tackle the project piece by piece rather than feeling overwhelmed by the enormity of it all. Next up, we're going to use Todoist sections to further organize our tasks. To do this, under your project, click on Add Section. You can create sections based on the phases of your project, team members, or any other criteria that help break down your project further. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each section acts as a mini project within your main project, providing a clearer overview and more granular control. Once you've created your sections, drag and drop your tasks into the relevant sections. This step is important because it categorizes your tasks, making it easier to prioritize and track your progress. Let me explain why this matters. Imagine trying to complete a puzzle without seeing the picture on the box. Pretty difficult, right? Organizing your tasks into sections provides you that picture on the box, guiding you towards project completion. Remember to use Todoist's due dates and reminders for each task. This ensures that no task falls through the cracks and that your project stays on track. And that's it. You've just learned how to organize large projects using Todoist sections. As an extra tip, regularly review and update your Todoist project to keep everything running smoothly. We hope this guide simplifies your project management in 2025. Until next time, happy organizing.